To change the name of a file, right-click on it in the Project Explorer view, select Rename or press F2 and fill in the new name. Click Preview to inspect the changes about to be performed. Note that, along with the file name, all the places where it's included, as well as the project's build configuration, are updated accordingly. Press OK when done. To trigger the rename operation, you can also right-click in the editor and choose Refactor Rename File. In specific situations, it might be more convenient to start from an include directive. It often happens that the name of a file coincides with the name of the class, module, interface, etc. defined within the file. In such cases, for example when renaming a class, note that the tool proposes to also update the file name in accordance.